Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so today we've got an IT job. We don't have a electronics repairs jobs. Yes, so in this episode we've got a laptop which is here for about a week or maybe less, a week, like 5 days, and there is a backup to be done. Okay, so I'll switch to the DSLR. Okay, I'll try to switch it on because I don't know what I'm expecting, so I don't want the data. I want to explain you the procedure. So I'm switching it on. Nothing. I'm pressing the button. Nothing. By the look of the keys, I see that this one is a tilt key. This is not a normal key. This has some issue. That's a page up. And what I seen as well was when I'm doing something is inside, okay, rattling. So we don't have power. Let's use PSU. Okay. Let's try to connect it. Oh. Put this one on. It is. We have a charging. We've got a charging light, red or orange. And let's press the power button and have a sip of a coffee. Cheers, guys. Okay, it is working. You know, you can see that it is working. HP, yes. So I'll explain you the procedure how I will be doing it. So yes, I can't show you the customer details. I don't know if there is any password, so that's what I will need to do. But at least I've got a time now. I can, I can write to the customer and ask for the password or crack the password myself. Take out the data, but I see that it's preparing automation repair, which is not good. Yes, so that's not good. ISO 800. Yes, so you can see here preparing automation repair, which is not something I would want here. Let's see what it will show. Okay, this has still HDD hard disk drive. This doesn't have SSD, solid state drive. So this will be a slower machine. Diagnosing your PC. There's some disk inside. Okay, what we have. Okay, that's driving license for the UK. But it's still diagnosing your PC, so maybe I'll pause it and I'll get back to it once, once it will be solved, because I've got other repairs, so I could, I could do other repairs while waiting on this one. It's repairing these errors that may take over an hour to complete, which is not nice. I could take out this hard drive from the inside actually and plug it into my computer and see if we can access data. If there's no BitLocker, we can do it. Yes, if there's a BitLocker, sorry, no can do. Yes. But because it's repairing these errors, that means the hard drive might be faulty inside, and plus we know there is something rattling inside. It's never good when something is rattling, because if it's plastic, that's okay to a certain extent, as long as it won't go to the fan and won't stop the fan from spinning. But if you have anything in general, you should remove it, especially when it's a risk of metal part. then automatically what you gonna end up with is short circuit on the main board. That's why we need to shut it down. Force shutting down by holding power button as I did for a number of seconds. Okay. Now we can put this one on. No scratchy thingies, no solder, no. Let's do it. It's not the cleanest, but it's okay. Now what do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's okay, that's fine. Let's take it apart. I don't have a container for the screws. Surprise. Okay. No screws here. So let's continue and let's see if we will have a different size of screws. Yeah, okay, so outside where the drive was, it's a longer screw. And here is as well longer, so on the sides were longer. At the touchpad area, we had same size at the touchpad what we had in the drive, optical drive, and there are 2 screws here. I see how long these are. These are the same length. Okay, at the foot. Okay, so we've got everything. Now we can remove this. No rattling inside it. That's okay. And now we've got 1, 2, 3 screws more here on this side. Oh, on your side. So let's do them. These are the same size. So only on the sides of this laptop were longer ones. Yes, the same. And the same. So that's fine. Now the question is, does those legs have some screws or no? Yes, they have. Okay, so as well here. Same size. And here. Now what we can do is, well, we can try to pry it. Okay, let's try to pry it from which side? That's the question. Okay, that's a one solid material, you can call it. So let's open it. Okay, so we've got a gap here. Here is a gap. Let's open it like that, and let's try to get short nails. So let's get some pry tool, because my nails will be damaged shortly. Okay. Oh, now we're talking. do we have here is this space now that has left. Ooh, plastic is broken. That's not nice. Okay, this is a bit different type of a laptop. It was hit, that's why. It had a bump. And you can see, because here you've got this holder for the screw, you can screw in the screw, whereas here it's absent, which you can't see actually. But okay, here it's a missing bit, which you should see the same as it's here. So it had a hard time, unfortunately. Somebody have done already something to it. So okay, anyways. And that's the part. Okay, and that's another part. So that's a plastic thing. That's a good thing actually. It's better plastic than anything else. Now this one we can try to glue. We could try to glue it. Ah, it's from here. It's looking like it would be from here. So I don't want to lose it because I don't know where this one is from. Okay, and is it important? But this one we might be lucky, just lucky to glue it back on. But anyways, let's put it aside. Okay, get stuff if anything on that. Let's put now this stuff on. Let's try to get out this hard drive without it's better to disconnect this ribbon cable actually, because it's too small space. Well, this should be pullable. Yes, this is pullable, and like that. Okay, so that should be. Oh, here is another plastic. Okay. Now these pullers are at the rear side. Let's leave this rubber on it. Let's put this one on. Okay. Let's put this battery on as well. Let's put this drive back on. And those screws back on. Now we've got everything from this laptop, so this laptop can go on the side. Okay, put it aside. That's okay. Now let's get an adapter for this drive, so I'll pause, I'll get the adapter and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back, I have it. Oh, sorry, I'll fix the issue. Okay, let's try it. If we will have the picture back again. I hate when it's happening. Okay, let's see if it will work this time. If no, I'll just... Okay, it's working. If no, I will have to pause the recording to not waste any of your time. Let's connect the adapter. Let's connect now to my PC. Okay, we've got the green light, that's a good sign. Let's check. I'll move you to the right. Okay, and we see open with file manager. I will see if I will see the data. Basic data partition, documents and settings, and users. I can see a user. and I can't access the user. I'm not joking. So okay, it's loading folder. Okay, so guys, that's it. You know, I'll just copy the data, and and that's pretty much okay. I've got it. I see all the files. I can make a backup for the customer, and fingers crossed, you know, everything what customer needs will be there. If no, I'll have to make sure that it is, and we'll ask customer you know, what to do next, if customer wants this laptop fixed or not fixed. That's looking like a bit older laptop, not the newest. I don't know what's the model is. Maybe I'll put the model, you know, in the description. No promises. And as I see all the documents, I don't think there will be any huge problem. We can check how much data is on the user account. So loading, it will take some time to calculate all the data because it's plenty of files, so it will be going. But okay, so to sum up, customer wanted a backup of files, and we see some damage to the plastic. Customer didn't specify that there is a need to put new operating system, so I need to verify it with a customer. There is an issue with operating system. We don't know what it is. We don't know the condition of the hard drive. If there are any issues with a hard drive, it would not be recommended to keep data on this drive. Yes, so that would be something to test for sure. That's what we should do as a procedure. What else I can tell you? Now I see already there is 5 gigabytes and it's increasing, so it's still calculating files, so I need to verify how large backup will be, and then pick the source, I mean pick the destination for that, either a pen drive or external hard drive, yes, or in the cloud, depend on the capacitance of that backup. Okay, it's stopped for now. It's 5.6 gigabyte and slowly growing, 5.7. We will see. But anyways, that's it. If possible, guys, please do like and or subscribe if you haven't done already. That's really helping this YouTube channel. That's mean I can make sure that I'm not only recording repairs, but I'm as well giving you tutorials how to do things. And you know, we've got a long videos with a detailed explanation and shorter ones, so it's a good mixture. And if you don't subscribe, then you can miss. Sometimes I've got a time for the shorts, you can learn something from the shorts, and then you can miss it, so it's worth to, you know, worth to subscribe. But that's it in this video. We've got 19 minutes, let's say. If possible, let's fix them all. Down below in the description you've got what the Intecracy means, because we're fighting for the Intecracy at the Inte.Team, and first project is the right to repair. Yes, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.